Today I'm taking a look at the Wixzet M5 dual screen laptop screen extender. So we got our user guide, and it does have a nice illustration on how we can set this guy up. And there is the extender. So we have a nice carbon fiber look there on the back as well as on the mount itself. And there is our display. So we are looking at just over 15.5 inches, which is excellent. For a portable display, that thing is huge. And if you just like having extra size, it'll make a huge difference. The mount is absolutely the style that I prefer. We can see that that can open and close to accommodate different sizes of laptops. We've got these hooks here on the top that will sit on top of the display. That'll prevent it from sliding down. We've also got rubber pads on there to make sure that we are not scratching our laptop. On the right side, we've got some hooks. And on the left side, we've got this spring-loaded hook. So that is going to clamp directly onto the laptop. That is the main reason that I prefer this style of mount over other styles of mounts. Now, this also has a hidden feature. You can see that little tab right there. We can actually pop this guy off, and we've got these 3 slots right here. So we could mount it to any of those 3 slots. If we want to have it mounted a little higher, we can use that. If we want to mount it in portrait mode, we can use that. We've also got this little guy. So this is another mount. Slot it into the back of our display, rotate that down, and we can use a display just like that. So if we just want to use this guy, we don't want to have that big thing sticking off the side, we can just set this up and use this completely independently. That does extend and retract to accommodate different styles of viewing angles, and is also rotatable, so we can also use that in portrait mode if we wish. On the back, we've got our interface. So this is our power button. It is also a toggle switch. We've got our Type C 1, Type C 2, and we have a mini HDMI. Where most of these come with a USB-C to HDMI, this one actually comes with a full mini HDMI port. So I love seeing that. And here are our cables. So this one is the important one. This is a USB-C to USB-C. I also appreciate seeing that that is a 90-degree angle on it. Now, if your laptop can accommodate video through USB-C, then all we would need is this one cable. We plug into either of these USB-C ports, plug it into our laptop that will supply power as well as video. So one cable to connect to your laptop, providing your laptop can provide that. If your laptop cannot provide that, then we've got these two. So this is our HDMI to mini HDMI. So we plug the mini HDMI into our display, we plug the HDMI into our laptop. So even if we don't have a USB-C port on our laptop available, we can still put the video out through this. And then we've got our power cable that has USB-A to USB-C, so that will connect to the power port on that display. So you would use this to power the display and this to supply video. If you want to use the USB-C and it can supply video through your laptop, but your laptop can't supply enough power for the display, then we can also use the USB-A to USB-C and a power supply to supply power to the display. This is a 17-inch laptop. It does have Thunderbolt ports, so I'm going to use the USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm just plugging that into Type C 1. And here I get to show off my favorite feature on this style of mount, the fact that we just clip that guy on. That will hold itself in place, and then all we got to do is plug in this one cable, and because this is a bend, we can just shove our wires back like that. We don't have to worry about that wire hanging out and hanging our mouse. Okay, so I did pick that up right away. It does look like there's a little flickering, but that is just because of the frame rate I am using. Well, let's go ahead and kick that up. There we go. That's closer to what that looks like. Now, let's go to display settings, and we can see that that did automatically set itself to extend. So I can take my window, I can throw it over there, I can bring it back, no issues there. Let's scroll down. It looks like that we are in 1920 by 1080. Go to advanced, and that is running at 59.94 hertz. So 60 hertz, that is excellent. That means if we wanted to, we could actually use that display for some gaming. Now, because this can actually clip onto the monitor, that means that I do have this room underneath it. Whereas with the other styles of mounts, they have a tendency to just kind of sit behind the laptop. When you got the laptop on a stand, that is just not quite feasible. So this is definitely my preferred style of mount. And because we've got those extra mounting spots, we can bring that up. So if we want that to be even higher, we have that as an option. Even better than that, this is the only style of mount that I've ever seen. You can click that in portrait mode. So if we scroll down, we can see landscape. I'm going to click that. I'm going to go to portrait. There we go. So now we can take our window, we can throw it up there, we can still read everything. If you're doing anything with text or programming, anything like that, that is definitely the best way to go. And this is also the only style of portable monitor mount that I've ever seen where you can actually orient that in portrait mode and have that clamped onto our laptop. So if that is something you can use, this will definitely be the extender that you want. Almost all the time for me, I'm going to be using that in landscape mode. So let's put that back on landscape. And as you can see, 17-inch display, 15-inch display, it does not look that much smaller. This one is a 16 by 10, so it's a little bit taller. This is a more traditional style format, 16 by 9, but it actually matches up very, very well. There we go. I can play games over here. I can watch movies over there. I can do my editing over here. I can just kind of keep my mind occupied over there. More importantly, I could take my program monitor if I wanted to, throw that over there, so I could do all my editing over here, and I could preview it over there. Once you go dual screen, it's hard to ever go back. And having a nice big screen like this with great color reproduction, great refresh rate, and having that fantastic mount on there, that is an excellent external display. So overall, I'm very happy with that.